In this guide, I'm going to clear out whether you can download songs on Spotify without premium or not. Let's get started. Launch your Spotify app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head towards the song that you want to download. Click on three dots. Here you're going to find different option. In order to download, you can see that you will need premium. As if right now you cannot download Spotify music without premium, you are able to add the song to the library. If you want to do so, click on the option add to your library. Then you can go ahead and select the library. While this does not download the music, it makes it easier to access your favorite content whenever you are connected to the internet. Another option is to take advantage of Spotify's premium trial offers when available. New users are sometimes eligible for free trial periods that include offline downloads. During the trial, you can download playlists and listen without an internet connection using Spotify's built-in download feature. You can also look for music that artists have made available for download through their own website or other legal music platforms. Many artists share tracks through services that allow free offline listening without requiring Spotify Premium. So that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys are clear whether you can download music on Spotify without premium or not. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.